Hey everyone, welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Today is March 1st of 2021, and today we're going to look at Ethereum versus the US dollar. Currently, Ethereum's just above $1,500, up about 10% on the past 24 hours, so looking okay. Now, let's go ahead and jump right on it, because I got some cool stuff to show you today. On this channel, we focus on bigger pictures, less time frame, less hype, more facts, and more charts. This is Ethereum on a 3-month chart. So yes, that means each of these candles is a quarter of a year. So this is a big picture. Now, why am I showing you this? Well, first of all, to show you how high Ethereum is currently compared to the rest of its history. For all the people that are wondering what's going on with Ethereum, let's look. Up $1,500. Okay, folks? Let's see if there's been any important levels in history that we've come across. Look at where we are here. Look at this level, okay? So 740, right? Our previous close on our big run up, right? This, on this kind of time scale, acts as major support, resistance, whatever you want to call it. Whatever it's doing, right? So we run up to it, we interact, yes, we go up, but we close our big run up at 740 level. Years later, that was way back in 2017, years later, we close our next big start run up. See the similarities of the rhymes here? History doesn't repeat, but it often rhymes. What happens after you break big resistance, or massive resistance in this case? You have massive price action. Look at what we had now. After it breaks out of resistance, holds a support, blast off zone. So why the hell am I showing you this? Well, let's go ahead and explain. Let's go over to Ethereum on the weekly chart. This is zoomed out on a weekly chart for Ethereum. And you guessed it, we're going to look at another key level. Way back 2018, our previous all-time high. Are you seeing anything yet? Why am I showing you that? Look where last week we dropped to. Do you think it's any coincidence we closed right at 1420? Look at that. Here's the close. See the C? Close. If you don't know what this is, it's open, high, low, close. For each of these candles, you can just hover over it. This is available to you for free on TradingView. You can just go open a TradingView and open this up and experiment. Have some fun. Look where we fell, right at our previous all-time high, just like I just showed you on the quarterly. These are the patterns that if you'll start to recognize and practice with, you can really get a leg up on the competition. You don't have to focus on the news or what people are saying on Reddit or Twitter or CNBC or FUTV. You can just look at the charts and make money that way. That's what I do. I prefer to block out the noise and trade with the boys. Terrible. But let's see. So right now, we've held this line as support, right? Previous all-time high came down right to the T, currently bouncing off of it. If that holds and we start moving back up, this is what to watch for. These kind of big moves. It's happened time and time again in the past. It'll happen again in the future. Look at you want to look at another key level? Watch this. Look, once highs, support, right, almost down to it, played it again with it, broke it. After we come back up, test it again, get rejected, finally break through previous big support resistance lines. This is when you get your action. Your moving averages get sorted out. You break previous big time resistance years ago, and you could get big moves. If we hold this as support and start moving back up, what to watch for next is going to be currently we've just broken back through our 50-day moving average at 1486. Watch for this. Our first candle, our first daily candle on this is going to close in 2 hours, 26 minutes. By the time you're watching this, you might already know what happens here. If we close here, that's a great sign. If we close down here, say 1475-ish, under 1480, we're still got our hurricane flag warning flags out. Just still be cautious. Bitcoin's looking better. Let's go take a look at that real quick. Bitcoin is already back above its 21-day moving average. So this closes as well at the same time. If this closes here, that's another great sign. We want to wait for a confirmation, which will happen tomorrow if this occurs. We don't know if this is for certain yet. Now, if we close here and then Bitcoin decides to close another higher candle, it's highly likely that we're going to continue that move. That's a second confirming candle of holding this as support. Break through it once, your second closing candle will be your confirmation. The trend is confirmed to be broken from the downtrend, and we're ready to go again. So if that happens, watch for altcoins to really start moving. Let's get back to Ethereum. Ethereum's first stepping stone to get back up the mountain. Hold the 50-day as support. We've cracked it back open. We have to wait for this to close 2 hours, right? And then tomorrow we will see again. We'll check again. If this closes back up and starts going back towards our 21-day, perfect sign. If Bitcoin does that and does what we hope Bitcoin does, and Ethereum should be right behind it, then Ethereum's next level to watch, 1625 right now. This will start moving up if Ethereum moves up, so it could be 1635, 45, something around in there before, if it starts moving up today and tomorrow. So that's what to watch for in the immediate term. Everything's looking good so far, but until we have 2 consecutive candles closing back above any moving average, especially for Bitcoin right now, we need Bitcoin to confirm its break above the 21-day and hold. Then it's likely that this line that we just spoke of will be the catalyst to propel Ethereum back up closer to all-time highs again. If we start breaking a couple of days candles going up, you can expect this to rise. If we could somehow manage to close above 1930 right here and make our all-time high close, get ready. That would be a bullish engulfing candle after a massive drop. Let's see what that drop was. Just on this candle alone, down over 30%, right? So that's a huge drop. If we could somehow pull one of those, that'd be about the most bullish thing to happen since, Matadors in Spain, right? So that's what to watch for on Ethereum. If you're new here, we make 10 new videos a week. Morning video, afternoon video for the United States. I'm on the East Coast. We do a live stream every week, usually on Wednesday afternoons. We also have a Twitter, a Telegram, and as of today, we have a Patreon. If you'd like to learn a little bit more, go a little bit more in depth. If you have any more questions, feel free to drop me a comment, send me an email, chat me up on Telegram. I'd be happy to help you out. I appreciate you guys. You notice my new profile picture? I don't know, March 1st, figured like I got a haircut. New haircut, new profile pic. Thanks so much, everybody. Have a good one. We'll see you tomorrow.